Let's make this origami heart ring together. All you're gonna need for it is a square piece of paper. I'm using 10 by 10 centimeters, and start by folding your paper in half. Now open it and fold both sides of the paper into this center crease that you just made. Now that you have it, open your paper and fold it again in half, but here on this line. And once more open it and fold the outer lines of the paper into this center crease. Now you will unfold them and fold this part of the paper in half, so bottom line to this first crease, and roll it once over like so. Now you will turn your paper over and you will fold this bottom line of the paper in and align it with this center line. So pick it up, align it with the center line, and once you have it, press it down. And the same with this one. Like so. Now you will turn your paper over and fold this part of the paper up on this center line, so on the first second line. Lift it up like so, and now flip your paper over and open this pocket. So open it and align this middle line with this bottom line like so, and press it down, and same with the left side. So just lift it up, open it and align it with the bottom line. Now you will take this part of the paper and fold it in half so that you will align this upper shorter line with this middle line. Like so. Align it with the middle line, press it down, and the same with the other. Take it downwards, align it with the middle line. In next step, you will fold this part of the paper in half, so bring the bottom line to this one. Like so, and roll it once up. And again, once more, roll it up. Like so. So if I turn it around, we have a heart in the middle. Now all you need to do is combine those two together. So for this, you can fold those two edges a little bit inwards. It will be easier for sliding the paper. So for sliding this part of the paper into this pocket right here. Slide it inwards, and also slide this corner paper into this pocket right here so that it stays in a round shape. And now just play with it a little bit so that it's round, and once you have it, just place it on your finger and you have a heart-shaped ring. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!